So another resource that I seem to use just about every week is Canva, and I have a lot of projects. um, and here are just a few of them that I have opened recently. So here's a birthday card I made for my younger sister last year. Um, I just chose a background, and here's the front and back, and then here's the inside. Um, it was really easy to just type out a message, and I loved designing it. And what I love is that you can order it through Canva. Here you can see which one is the outside and inside to make sure you got it correct. And you can choose like the format and how many. Of course, I only wanted one, so I just chose this, and you can include an envelope as well. But if you are designing like a general thank you card that you're going to just have blank on the inside and write your own messages as the need arises, then you can buy them in bulk like that. Another one that I did was for also another one of my sisters. I'm going to go into my projects here, and here it is. It's a calendar. Now, for just about every project here in Canva, there are different templates that you can use. I decided to not do a template, so everything on here is something that I designed myself without the help of the templates over here, mainly because the ones I wanted to use were all ones that are included in the premium plan, and I just have the free version, so this is what I did. So it took me several months to complete. I also wanted to get more updated pictures and different ones to add. So it was just a really good experience for me because I had never designed a calendar before. And I was able to implement some of my sister's photography. So this is a picture of Silver Beach that she took while we were there. So I really enjoyed implementing different things like that, and our different trips and our friends. So it was just a really nice way to design a calendar. And again, I ordered it through Canva, and it was wonderful quality. For education, I have designed a few things for my classes. If I go into my projects again, you can organize it into folders. So I have different projects here. I had to make this poster about presentation and response accommodations in special ed, and my team and I designed this, and it was a really easy way to present it to the class. We also did, if I go over it back into my projects here, here's what I did for my history class. So we had a research project, and this was my deliverable. So I researched all of these different authors who are known for their mysteries, and it was just this easy pamphlet that I turned in as a PDF, and it was just a nice project to do. And it was super easy. I just used a template, and this one over here actually, and just changed font and colors and different pictures and whatnot. So Canva is just such an easy tool to use, as well as use for personal things. I've made several different backgrounds for my laptop. I designed this one when I was toying with the Pro free subscription, of where you can remove the background and you can fade things. So it was just a really fun activity, and there's different ways to Photoshop and edit photos. So I'd use this a lot, and I really hope that this was helpful for you.